When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Wednesday, the 27th of September. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay dry for a while, at least for the next 7 days. A cooling trend this weekend, and maybe some tropical mischief in the Gulf or the Caribbean in about 10 days. Let's check it out. You know this pattern. Cool trough in the west, warm ridge in the east. We've been dealing with that for a while, and today will be like summertime once again. Check out the numbers early this morning as the day begins. We've got mostly 60s on the board. Fort Payne at 61, Birmingham at 66. We'll be close to 90 today. It's not going to feel like fall for sure. Severe weather, a couple of risks, marginal risk, one for the northern tip of New England, one for the southwest, but around here we're all white. That means we're dry as could be. And look at this, no rain for 7 days for most of the state. This is the rain valid through Wednesday morning of next week. And again, I know, thoughts of the drought come back when you start to see these maps, but understand this is very typical for October. This is the driest time of the year. In the tropics, still our 2 systems on the board. We've got Lee and Maria. The Gulf is very quiet. The wave train for now is shut down. Lee is out in the middle of the Atlantic and stays in the middle of nowhere. Winds are 110 miles an hour, but it's going to ultimately curve northeast on out to sea. No threat to land. Maria, tropical storm, top wind 70 miles an hour, hanging around east of the Outer Banks. Still producing strong wind gusts and very rough surf there, but that's going to kick out in coming days, and by the weekend it's on out to sea as a subtropical system, a post-tropical system. But again, there might be some backyard mischief at some point in October. We'll show you that in a second. Let's go through the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. Upper trough in the southwest, ridging here. Mostly sunny with a high close to 90 for us, and you can see Maria off the Outer Banks. Tomorrow, notice the gradient picks up. A cold front comes through in dry fashion tonight. That's going to shave about 5 degrees off the highs tomorrow. Highs go back in the mid-80s with a pretty good north wind of maybe 8 to 16 miles an hour. Friday, low 80s. The sky's sunny. The humidity comes down. And the weekend looks very nice. This is Saturday. We're on the edge of the cooler air mass. The center is up over the Great Lakes. Highs for the weekend, I'd say around 80, and lows. The trend has been up a little bit for the lows. We'll see 50s for the cooler pockets. Looks like most places low to mid 60s. And that's Sunday. But again, a very comfortable weekend. No risk of rain. Great for football. Go to Monday. The latest GFS suggesting a high of 79, a low of 59. Kind of a cold air damming type setup there. And this is Tuesday. We're dry and pleasant. And a week from today, heights are coming up. Look at that 594 circle creeping back in here. Down below that, of course, obviously with that, it's going to be dry. And temperatures probably creeping back up maybe toward the mid-80s with that upper high building in. This is the end of the forecast period. This is October 7th. We've still got an upper high here. No sign of any big, deep trough coming through. And down below that, same deal. This is dry. The bottom line is, for now, our weather looks dry for 10 days. But look to the south, and you can see evidence of a tropical-type low forming in the Bay of Campeche, the far southwestern Gulf of Mexico. We'll check the European at the same time. And again, this is Friday, October 6th, the end of next week. Pretty much the same deal. It's got a tropical-type low near the tip of the Yucatan. So global models are suggesting some mischief down there. Whether it moves west into Mexico or tries to go north, we don't know yet, but if the ridge stays strong, it's going to drift over toward Mexico. But again, this is 10 days out, just throwing out some ideas. Numbers coming off the GFS, you can see the cool down. And again, these numbers might be a smidgen too low, but still, they're going to be much more comfortable. We could see mid-70s, mid to upper 70s by Sunday and Monday. Beyond that, highs around 80 and lows around 60. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.